Want a website that actually grows your business? Yeah? Okay, let's talk about the two paths to building one. So, right off the bat, you've got a huge choice to make. Code or no code? Let's break it down. Think of it like this. Do you want a custom blueprint or, a high-end snap-together modular system? Okay, first up, path one. This is the full custom approach. We're talking ultimate power here. With this path, you're using the heavy hitters like React, Python, OpenAI to build something seriously robust. It's a really thorough process. Every single detail gets tailored exactly to what your business needs. Now for the budget. An average MVP build here is going to run about $10,500. So what's the trade-off? You're investing more upfront for massive flexibility and scale down the road. All right, let's check out path two, the no-code approach. This one's all about speed. With no code, you're basically connecting powerful tools like Webflow and Bubble to build your system fast. The process is super streamlined. You can go from just an idea to a live product really fast. And wow, check out the budget. An average build is just over $3,000, way less than custom. So here the priority is getting to market fast. The trade-off? A few limits on customization. Okay, time for the head-to-head. Let's see how these two paths really stack up against each other. Wow, look at the speed difference. We're talking weeks to launch your MVP, not months. That's huge. And yeah, the cost difference is just as big. This really shows the gap in upfront investment. So this summary lays it all out for you. All the key trade-offs you need to consider. Okay, so which path is right for you? Well, it really comes down to your business goals. If you just need to validate an idea fast and on a budget, yep, no code is the clear winner. But what if you're thinking bigger, building something totally unique that needs to scale? Then for a big, scalable, investor-ready platform, a custom build is your best strategic move. But here's a pro tip. You can do both. Start with no code, then scale with custom later. Ready to pick your path? Let's get your AI website journey started at Revamp Webs and accelerate your growth.